Hey guys, I went to the grocery store yesterday and I found this a young mango. It's very tiny and a little bit kind of sour, and I want to make a sauce for that. So I have the ingredient and I'm going to use this grinded by hand. So so I have I think this is 2 tablespoons and 2 tablespoons of peanut, and I have salt. You can see it, right? This is salt. I have lemon, garlic, chili pepper, sugar, brown sugar. This is brown sugar, and also tamarind. And I have little water in. I have maybe 2 tablespoons water. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use this hand grinder. Okay, so first I'm going to ground the chili pepper and garlic and add salt. If you don't like spicy, you don't have to put chili pepper. Just the garlic and salt to ground smooth. See, this is smooth. And now I'm going to add the sugar and tamarind. I use the palm sugar. You can find the palm sugar from Asian market. And this tamarind is very sticky. So I'm going to add some water to help kind of like salad dressing, fruit. Okay. Let me see. Now I'm going to peanut. You don't have to ground the peanut really smooth, just ground roughly so you can taste the peanut. See guys, that's it. And I'm going to add some lemon. That's it guys. This is the fruit dressing. Make it from brown sugar. Okay, now I'm going to clean the baby mango. Okay guys, I have the mango ready. So this is mango when you cut and then it has seed in it. So you have to take the seed out, with the knife. Just peel it with the knife. This will look like this when you cut the seed out, and then I just slice like this and leave it right here. Oh, let me see. Look at it, guys. Yummy. Let me try. Oh, very good. We can get the sour, sweet, and spicy, and crunchy. Very good. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. This is good on the summertime. I'm gonna keep eating right now. It's very good.